I don't really want you to get my head. All right, it's Charlie. Is it recording now?
Yeah, it's recording.
It's on?
Yep.
Okay. Hello, friends. I'm just going to show you unboxing my new dishwasher. Tumble dryer. It cost me £150 from Argos. So, here we go. Look how nicely these scissors cut through the tape. Oh, that felt good. Ah, last one. Never to be repeated. Ah, yes. So, one more last one. Now for the good part. Oh, missed. Try not to scratch the lid. Oh, the pop. Ah. Here is the new tumble dryer. The plug. The tumble dryer. Oh, look how shiny it is. Nice. I don't know what that does. Oh, look, there's stuff inside already. Paper cups. Fuck knows what that is. Where's the instructions? I know what to say, just start. Come on, have you started? Oh. I found the instructions. So here's the English instructions. And here's the European instructions. It's the same! Right. What's that? I can't read that, I haven't got my glasses. Thank you for watching my video. Charlie, how do you stop this thing filming?
You press the red button.